Changing the password of your mobile's portable hotspot is very easy. Today, in this video, I will show you how you can change your mobile's portable hotspot password and how to set a limited or unlimited number of connected devices. First, open your mobile settings. Then scroll down a little and you will see the portable hotspot option. If you don't see it there, simply search for hotspot in the search bar at the top. And the portable hotspot option will appear. Tap on it, then click on Set up Portable Hotspot. Here, you will see the option to change your password. You can set any password you like. Just to show you, I will set this one. As you can see, the password has now been changed. To limit the number of connected devices, scroll down a little further, and you will find the Connected Devices option. Tap on it and set the number of devices you want to allow. You can also choose to keep it unlimited. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our upcoming videos. And if you face any issues, let me know in the comments. I will make a video on it.